Hi guys. In this video we will present to you FlexiHub 4.4. What is FlexiHub? FlexiHub has been designed to provide you with remote access to devices connected over the network. It can establish connections between devices present anywhere in the world. There is no specific range of parameters in which this application works, so connecting with remote devices across the world is possible. When you have several USB devices connected to your local area network, you probably wonder if you can access them all. It turns out that you can't unless you have the right tools for the job. FlexiHub is an application that will enable you to access USB drives remotely. It comes with a relatively simple interface that will make it easy for you to connect to these drives and easily change them. You can also connect to USB drives in your local area network, but you'll also have the chance to connect to USB drives in other networks. Simple to use. One of the best things about FlexiHub is how easy it is to use. It has a simple interface that makes it simple for you to access the USB drives you want to see and edit. What is more, you'll be able to connect to almost any USB device that you want. However, you will have to make an account before you start using this application fully. Visit our site in description and get more info about FlexiHub.